everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know, I am Carrie, and do you love my shirt? I love how it's got ribbon, and look at the lace, it's so gorgeous. I don't shop off Shein anymore, but I did get this off Shein, and I actually do think it's a really nice top. But yeah, I just thought maybe you'd like that. I love the lace, it's so pretty. Anyways, before we get started with the video, I wanted to bring up a couple things. First off, I wanted to apologize if I've been uploading a little too much. The only reason I've been doing that is because I'm trying to experiment and see what content people like. Also just trying to see how I go with my channel. Obviously, I don't want to spam up people's emails and notifications and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing just one video a week and maybe 2 shorts a week. It can be anywhere between Sunday and Saturday. So yeah, I'm just gonna be sticking to a regular routine like that. Another thing I wanted to bring up is that every week I'm gonna be doing a shout out to someone who makes a comment on my videos. So all you have to do is comment something very awesome in my videos or my shorts. It can be either or, and you might just get recognition in the following video. I'm gonna be starting this next week, so all you gotta do is comment on my videos or shorts. Eventually I like to do some free giveaways with my drawings, but I need my channel to get bigger before I start doing that. But we'll just start with this. I'm also gonna be giving off a fun photo or even one of my art pieces on the video, just so you get an idea of what I want to do with this. I wanted to do something fun with my channel. Anyways, let's get started with the video. Today's video is gonna be DIY ways to display your stuff in your bedroom. Obviously things can be pretty expensive, you know. I like to DIY things and just figure out creative ways to store things or display your stuff like that. If this is something you're interested in watching and you want to get an inspiration, then keep watching. First off, I like to show you how I display my glasses. I don't wear glasses 24/7, but I do like to wear them when I'm watching movies or playing video games. So this is my Peekaboo. I don't know if you've heard of Peekaboos, and I'm not even sure if they're still selling or not, but I keep my glasses here on my Peekaboo. If you don't want to put them in a case or get a stand or whatever like that, keep them on your Peekaboo on your nightstand dresser or whatever. This is my pen, my Peekaboo, and my glasses are here and ready to go whenever I need them. If you are a gamer and you have a headset and you don't want to get a stand, use some kind of surface or figure like this. This is my Hello Kitty bank that I use for a figure. I actually thrifted this and I keep my headset on there. I think it looks super cute on her, and it's a very cheap way to display your headset. Don't mind chew marks on my headset. My cat got into it. We don't need to be getting into that, but yeah. Also, if you have game controllers and you don't want to get a stand for it, or you don't have a stand, or if you don't want to put it in a drawer, again, use a figurine to put it on. I got this Twilight Sparkle My Little Pony from the same thrift store as the Hello Kitty. So it's a very cute way to display it, and I just thought that was awesome. My vanity doesn't look 100% neat right now, but I do have a couple of hacks here that I wanted to show you. First off, I have my Christmas reindeer that I actually keep my necklaces hanging from the antlers. I thought that was really neat. If you don't have any space for them, or if you don't want to get like a jewelry holder or something like that, get some kind of decor that you have and just hang it from there. It makes it a cute way to show off, and it's also just very affordable. Another thing on the vanity is that I have my little dollhouse miniature furnitures that I got off Temu. This is my little fairy. She is sitting on the vanity chair in front of the vanity, and this has my special compact eyeshadow, my glitter eyeshadow. I also have the bed that I keep my eye makeup on as well, so I thought that was super cute. Another thing that I like to show off is that I have a fairy house that I store a few things that I don't like to display. So for one thing, oh, hi guys. I keep like my phone, mic and clicker and stuff in here. I don't like to keep it out, but I don't use them all the time. So that's just a cool way to store just small little things like that. If you have any fairy houses that open like that, or you even have a doll house, that'd be perfect. And lastly, I like to show off my stickers. If you have any cracks or just smudges on your furniture that don't look good and you can't afford to get rid of them, put stickers on them to cover it, because that makes it super cute. Obviously, I still have some cracks and holes to cover because these are quite used. But yeah, stickers are a great cute way to cover up some scratches or holes or just anything that you don't want to show on your furniture. Alright guys, that was my video on my DIY bedroom inspiration, whatever you want to call it. Once again, I'm going to be doing the weekly shout outs. So like I said, all you have to do is make a comment. And also, if you haven't already, please like or subscribe to my channel. I really would like to go up to 400 subscribers by Halloween. I have a certain goal, maybe even another 100 by Christmas. So if you guys could give me a subscription, that'd be awesome. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week, and I hope you have a good day or night. Bye!